Initially it was this candle here, but when I went on to the weekly, I found out that we do have our weekly last up candle there, and the opening price is right here. So then I thought, okay, maybe today be Monday, they will slam it to that weekly opening price of the up candle, and that's what they did. So this is a good one. Okay, so if you want to, let's go back to the hourly. Yeah, with a stop 35 right there. Sorry, the last up candle there. Okay, protecting the last up candle. Right, so if you want, okay, and on your demo account you can see on the downside, I do like this mini gap. So that would be a target. So that would be entry, stop, and this low would be a first area to take something off. That's a green, and that one, and then I suspect this low gap in here with that equal low. I suspect that one as well. So I suspect that to come back inside that as well. So scream it back down here. So this would be downside objectives. The daily is bearish. Okay, we are bearish. We are making lower lows and lower highs. So that's why we're going short. Again, today being Monday, this is probably trying to form the high of the week and then a rejection to continue going down. Okay. Yeah, we had a huge move to the downside last week. It came back to rebalance everything, so we should see a continuation to the downside. The weekly is still bullish, so I'll be looking for a position to go long somewhere down in here. I'm not sure quite where yet, but once we get down here inside this area below this low, below that low, I'll be looking for reasons to buy for a continuation to the upside. On the monthly, we are bullish. Yeah, so monthly is bullish, weekly is bullish, daily is bearish. So we can go short and go into a weekly level, and then once we get to that weekly level, we can start anticipating a rejection, and then we can start buying to align ourselves with the weekly trend again. Sorry, the daily to align itself with the weekly trend again. So that's a nice area. Low run above that high. Yeah. Okay, and that will be